Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the houses of a row are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. Okay, so suppose that in a particular road there exist so many houses. The house number 1 is labeled as 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4, and this thing keep on going till we got the house number 49. Okay, now so that there is a value x such that the sum of the number of houses preceding the house numbered x. So you have to show that uh, I don't think this is show, this is so. Okay, so so the idea is, so the sum of the number of the houses preceding numbered x is equal to the sum of the number of the houses following it. Okay, so the idea is the sum of this is equal to sum of that, and you have to find out the value of x. Okay, now so if this is x, so till this part they must have included x minus 1. So can I say that according to the question, can I say that s of x minus 1 is equal to this? Okay, so what I will do, I will add everything. Okay, s49 minus this sx. So don't you think you will get that second box? Correct, na? I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now the idea is how we will proceed. Try to understand. Just apply the AP formula. Okay, so we have n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The common difference is 1 only. Correct? Now this is 49, and you know that it is 49 consecutive natural numbers. So can I say that it is n into n plus 1 by 2? So it is 49 into 50 by 2 minus sx. So till x is also it is natural number. So n into n plus 1 by 2. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. If you will multiply both side by 2, you will get rid of this number. Okay, now simplify things. So we got x minus 1, then we have 2 plus x minus 2, then we have 49 into 50, then we have x square minus x. So this thing gone. So we got x square minus x, we got 49 into 50 minus x square minus x. So this minus x got neutralized. This x square will come this side. So we will have 2x square is equal to 4950. Now divide both side by 2, we will have 4925. So it is x. So we have to take root on both sides. So can we write plus or minus 7 into 5? So can I say that it is plus minus 35? As you guys are talking about the natural number 1 to 49, so minus of 35 is not possible. Therefore the value of x is what? Plus of 35. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.